Understanding, be down on your luck, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or everyday conversations, be down on your luck. This expression is rich in meaning and is commonly used in English-speaking cultures. Our goal today is to help you understand what it means, how to use it, and to give you confidence in applying it in your own conversations. Let's get started. Be down on your luck is an idiom that refers to going through a bad phase in life, where nothing seems to be working out in your favor. It's often used when someone is experiencing a series of unfortunate events or difficulties, particularly related to finances, employment, or personal circumstances. This phrase paints a picture of someone who is temporarily defeated by life's challenges but not necessarily without hope of recovery. While the exact origin of "be down on your luck" is not clearly documented, it's believed to stem from gambling contexts, where luck plays a significant role in winning or losing. Over time, the phrase evolved to be applied more broadly to any situation where someone is facing misfortune or adversity, not just in gambling. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. 1. After losing his job and struggling to find a new one, he felt he was really down on his luck. 2. She's been down on her luck ever since she moved to the city, but she's trying to stay positive. 3. Despite being down on their luck, the community came together to support each other. These examples show that the phrase can be used to describe personal challenges, as well as to empathize with others going through tough times. Understanding synonyms and similar expressions can broaden your ability to express the concept of experiencing a rough patch. Here are a few. Going through a rough patch. Hit a rough spot. Fall on hard times. Having a stroke of bad luck. These alternatives can be used interchangeably with "be down on your luck," depending on the context and your personal preference. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning, usage, and nuances of the phrase, "be down on your luck." Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions, experiences, and connecting with others. Whether you're sharing your own experiences or empathizing with someone else's, knowing how to express these concepts can make all the difference. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you continue your English learning journey in our next video.